Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. Today I will demonstrate generating recommended purchase orders. The purpose of this function is to allow orders that have been recommended by the material planning process to be reviewed, edited, and automatically created as purchase orders or purchase quotes in ALERE. Begin by navigating to Logistics, choosing Generate Orders, and selecting Purchase Orders from the drop-down menu. The grid on the screen displays a list of the recommended purchase orders that are a result of the last time that orders were planned. Stretch the screen to view all the columns at once. For a purchase order to be created, an item must have a default supplier assigned to it. Those lines that are listed in red indicate that the recommended purchase order will be late. Use the options and choices below the grid to filter the list and make decisions for creating the orders. The filter combo box will allow the list on the grid to remain unfiltered, filtered by location, order date range, item, supplier, buyer, or product class. The PM combo box will filter the list by items that are purchased or manufactured, and by both. The Show Blankets Only checkbox will filter the list to show only blanket orders that fully meet the demand for the item from a supplier. The Combine Dates checkbox will group recommended orders together for a supplier based on the earliest date required. Orders can be generated as active or pending. Their type, purchase order, or quote can also be specified. Select which items to generate an order for by check-marking the buttons in the Generate column. The order quantities, dates, receiving locations, and buyers can be edited. Double-clicking on a sales order number will display the actual order where the demand originated. As orders are checked, the tagged fields will display the total quantity of recommended orders and keep a running tally of the number checkmarked. Lines on the grid are automatically combined with other lines with the same supplier. To generate individual orders, checkmark the buttons in the separate column. To begin creating orders, select the Generate button and answer any questions. As orders are created, the actual order numbers are displayed on the grid. Double-clicking on any of those numbers will display the actual order. The number of orders generated are displayed on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. That concludes this ALERE demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.